Picture this for a moment. You open your fridge, maybe expecting leftovers, maybe a bit of fruit, maybe nothing exciting at all, but sitting right there, quietly waiting, are three little foods almost everyone has misunderstood for decades. Foods that most seniors avoid because they've been told they're fattening, dangerous, or a heart attack on a plate. And yet, what if those same foods were exactly what your muscles have been begging for? What if they weren't villains at all, but secret allies? I know, it sounds surprising, even a little suspicious, right? But stay with me, because the truth is much more interesting than the old diet myths we grew up with. See, after 60, your body changes in ways nobody really warns you about. Simple tasks feel heavier. Steps feel steeper. Even lifting a grocery bag can feel like someone secretly added a brick inside. And then you hear the word sarcopenia, and it suddenly becomes real. Muscle loss, weakness, fatigue, that creeping feeling that your strength isn't what it used to be. But here's the part I love telling my patients. Your muscles are not done. Not even close. They're still alive, still responsive, still capable of rebuilding as long as they get the right ingredients. And strangely enough, three of the most powerful ingredients happen to be cheeses. Yes, cheese, the food we were told to fear. So today, let me walk you through these three foods, the way I would if we were sitting together. Maybe with a cup of tea between us, talking openly and calmly about how to get your strength back. Let's take our time. Let's make it simple, and let's make it practical. Because the goal here isn't trends, theories, or complicated medical talk. The goal is you feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident every single day. And we'll start with a cheese you've probably sprinkled on pasta without thinking twice. Parmesan. Most people think Parmesan is just a garnish, a sprinkle on top of pasta that adds flavor but not much else. But for seniors over 60, this small, hard cheese acts almost like a switch your muscles have been waiting for. When you eat real Parmigiano Reggiano, you give your body a high dose of leucine, the amino acid that tells aging muscles build now. It's a bit like turning the lights back on in a room that has been dim for years. After 60, your body doesn't respond to protein as efficiently as it used to. So you need a clearer, stronger message, and Parmesan delivers exactly that. A 2021 study showed that older adults who consumed the amount of leucine naturally found in about 50 grams of Parmesan had a 38% increase in muscle protein synthesis. That's the kind of improvement that can turn shaky legs into steady steps and make everyday tasks feel possible again. The best part is that you don't need a large portion. Just 30 to 40 grams a day is enough, and the timing matters more than the quantity. Half your portion after morning movement, even if it's just a short walk, gives your muscles the signal to start rebuilding. The other half with your evening meal supports recovery while you rest. Parmesan is also easy on digestion because it is aged naturally and contains little lactose, so even seniors with mild intolerance can enjoy it comfortably. Grating it over eggs, lentils, vegetables, or warm soup is enough to reach your leucine target without eating a heavy meal. The only thing to avoid is the pre-shredded supermarket bags, which often contain fillers that interfere with absorption. Look instead for real Parmigiano with crunchy white crystals inside the cheese. Those crystals are signs of high protein concentration and long aging. I've seen the difference Parmesan can make. One of my patients, Margaret, was 67 and struggling with falls, weakness, and a 15% loss of muscle mass over 5 years. She believed cheese would make her gain weight, but after 12 weeks of adding small daily portions of Parmesan at the right times, she regained 7% of her lost muscle and even slimmed her waist. Her confidence returned, her balance improved, and she felt like she had her body back. Parmesan didn't do everything, but it opened the door. It turned the muscle-building switch back on, and that alone changed the way she moved through her day. Cottage cheese. If Parmesan turns the muscle switch on, cottage cheese protects your muscles during the moment when they are most vulnerable. The night many seniors, realize that muscle breakdown increases while you sleep because the body enters a fasted state and pulls amino acids from your muscles to keep your organs functioning. That's why some people over 60 wake up feeling weaker, heavier, or unsteady on their feet. But cottage cheese contains casein, the slowest digesting protein found in nature, and that simple characteristic makes it incredibly powerful for older adults. Casein releases amino acids little by little over several hours, like a drip system feeding your muscles throughout the night. It helps bypass something called anabolic resistance, which is the reason older bodies don't use protein as efficiently as younger ones. A 2022 study followed seniors between 65 and 75 who ate 1 cup of cottage cheese before bed. Nothing else changed in their lifestyle. No extra workouts, no supplements. 12 weeks later, they gained more than 2 pounds of lean muscle mass simply because their muscles finally had access to steady fuel during the night. And many participants also reported better sleep because casein helps stabilize blood sugar and reduce nighttime wake-ups. The ideal amount is about 1 cup, preferably full-fat or 2% cottage cheese, because the fat slows digestion even further. You can mix it with cinnamon, berries, or a teaspoon of honey if you want a nicer taste. But avoid sugary granola or jams that spike blood sugar, and don't heat it. Cooking destroys the slow-release structure of casein. The mistake many seniors make is choosing whipped or low-protein varieties that contain less than 10 grams of protein per serving. You want at least 13 to 15 grams per 100 grams. Another mistake is eating cottage cheese in the morning and expecting the same effect. Morning protein is useful, but cottage cheese is most effective at night, doing its quiet work while you sleep. I remember Patricia, a 67-year-old retired teacher who felt weak every morning, struggling to get out of bed. Her protein intake was too low, and her legs were losing strength quickly. After adding 1 cup of cottage cheese before bed for 8 weeks, her scans showed a 14% increase in quadriceps mass, and she felt stronger, steadier, and more rested. She said something beautiful. "I finally wake up feeling like myself again." That's the quiet power of cottage cheese. Ricotta may look soft and innocent, but it contains one of the most effective muscle-building proteins for seniors, whey. If Parmesan activates the muscle signal and cottage cheese protects your muscles overnight, ricotta is the food that rebuilds them the fastest. Whey acts almost immediately. It floods the bloodstream with amino acids that older bodies desperately need, especially because natural production of IGF-1, a hormone that supports muscle repair, drops sharply with age. Ricotta acts like a natural booster. It gives your muscles the raw material they need right when they're most sensitive, especially after light movement. You don't need intense exercise. Even a simple walk or a few minutes of stretching is enough to open a window of opportunity for muscle repair. A 2023 study followed adults over 65 who ate 150 grams of ricotta daily. After 12 weeks, the ricotta group experienced a 35% increase in muscle cross-sectional area, a 19% improvement in walking speed, and a 28% improvement in leg power. These results are enormous, especially for seniors who weren't doing heavy training. Ricotta also contains lactoferrin, a bioactive compound that protects muscle fibers from inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which accelerate muscle loss in older adults. It is also easier to chew and digest than hard cheeses, making it ideal for seniors with dental issues or digestive sensitivity. The best way to use ricotta is within an hour after movement. Spread half a cup on whole grain toast with olive oil and tomato, mix it into scrambled eggs, or blend it into a creamy smoothie with banana and almond butter. Try to choose unflavored fresh ricotta without added sugar, and avoid combining it with desserts. Many seniors mix ricotta with chocolate or sugary toppings, and that shifts the body into fat storage mode instead of muscle repair mode. Consistency also matters. Ricotta works best when eaten 4 to 5 days a week, not occasionally. One of my favorite examples is Robert, a 75-year-old retired taxi driver who had been losing weight and using a cane because his legs no longer supported him well. His protein intake was extremely low, and none of it came from fast-acting sources. We added 200 grams of ricotta at lunch, 5 days a week, along with a short 10-minute evening walk. 9 weeks later, Robert no longer needed his cane. His lean mass increased by 16%, his blood sugar improved, and he said, "I got my legs back." Ricotta wasn't a miracle. It was simply the missing ingredient his muscles had been waiting for. Swiss cheese is one of those foods people often overlook because it seems simple, familiar, almost ordinary. Yet it holds a set of nutrients that aging muscles depend on far more than most seniors realize. When you eat real Swiss or Gruyere, you're giving your body a powerful combination of high-quality protein, calcium, and vitamin B12, and these 3 nutrients work together like a supportive team, keeping your muscles, bones, and nerves communicating smoothly. Protein helps repair the tiny microscopic tears in your muscles that happen every time you move. Calcium allows your muscle fibers to contract properly and generate force and vitamin. B12 supports the nerve signals that tell your muscles when to act. After 60, that communication system becomes slower and less precise, which is why many older adults describe feeling wobbly, unsure, or a little late when taking a step or catching themselves from falling. Swiss cheese nourishes that entire system quietly and steadily, without heavy digestion or stomach discomfort, because it's naturally low in lactose and easy on sensitive digestive systems. What makes Swiss cheese especially valuable is that it helps restore the connection between your brain and your muscles, something most seniors don't even know they're losing. As we age, the nerve endings that help muscles fire on time begin to degrade, and the signals become weaker, almost like a phone call with static in the background. You can still hear the message, but it's not as clear as it used to be. Swiss cheese helps rebuild that clarity by giving your body the nutrients it needs to strengthen the protective coating around nerves and support smoother, quicker reaction times. This is why seniors who add small daily portions of Swiss cheese often report feeling more stable on stairs, more confident when turning corners, and more coordinated during everyday movements like rising from a chair or stepping out of the car. It doesn't feel dramatic at first. It's more like a soft return of control. a subtle improvement that accumulates week after week until your balance feels almost renewed. And because Swiss cheese pairs easily with vegetables, whole grain bread, soups, and lean proteins, it becomes a gentle, enjoyable habit that supports mobility without feeling restrictive or heavy on your digestion. Feta is one of the most surprising cheeses for muscle health because it doesn't just provide protein and minerals. It also contains a unique compound called conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which plays a powerful role in reducing low-grade inflammation inside the muscles. Inflammation is one of the hidden forces behind age-related muscle loss, and it's often responsible for that stiff, heavy feeling seniors describe when they get out of bed or stand up after sitting for a long time. When inflammation increases, muscle fibers take longer to recover, joints feel irritated, and even small amounts of movement can leave the legs feeling tight or fatigued. Feta helps soften that problem by delivering CLA along with calcium, protein, and healthy fats. It creates a gentler environment inside the muscles, allowing them to repair themselves without the constant background noise of inflammation slowing everything down. This is especially important after 60, when the body becomes more sensitive to stress and takes longer to bounce back from even light physical activity. Many seniors also find feta easier to integrate into their meals because its rich, salty flavor adds a satisfying boost without needing large portions, and it pairs effortlessly with foods that support muscle recovery on their own. Vegetables, whole grains, beans, olive oil, and lean proteins. This makes it incredibly practical for older adults who struggle with appetite or digestive issues, because feta feels light on the stomach while still offering a meaningful dose of nutrients. Over time, adding small amounts of feta to your meals can help reduce the lingering stiffness in your legs, support smoother movement, and make your muscles feel less irritated after daily activities. And because it is naturally lower in fat than many cheeses, it avoids that heavy, greasy feeling some seniors dislike, making it more comfortable to eat on a regular basis. With consistent use, feta becomes a quiet ally, offering relief from the internal tension that aging muscles often carry and helping your body move with a little more freedom, a little more grace, and a lot more comfort. When you look at all 5 cheeses together, something becomes incredibly clear. Your muscles are not waiting for extreme workouts or complicated routines. They're waiting for the right signals delivered at the right time. Parmesan activates the rebuilding process. Cottage cheese protects your muscles through the long night hours. Ricotta brings fast-acting protein that your body can use immediately after even gentle movement. Swiss cheese supports the deep connection between nerves and muscle fibers, so your steps feel steadier and more coordinated. And feta quietly reduces the inflammation that makes recovery slower and stiffer with age. Each one carries a different strength, a slightly different role, but they all point toward the same message. Your body is still capable of rebuilding itself, no matter your age, as long as you give it what it needs. Consistently, most seniors are told that muscle loss is inevitable, that weakness simply comes with age, and that once strength begins to fade, it's a one-way road. But that is not true. Your muscles remain responsive for your entire life. They never lose their ability to adapt. They simply lose their sensitivity to the usual signals. Think of it like a conversation that becomes harder to hear. Younger muscles respond to even a whisper, but older muscles need a clearer voice. A stronger message, something that says, it's time to repair. These 5 cheeses provide that message in different ways. Parmesan flips the switch. Ricotta brings the building blocks quickly. Cottage cheese keeps your muscles nourished during your most vulnerable hours. Swiss supports your balance and nerve function. Feta reduces the silent inflammation that chips away at your strength without you ever noticing. Together, they form a simple approach that works with your body, not against it. You don't need to change everything about your lifestyle to see results. In fact, the most powerful changes often come from small habits that you repeat gently, day after day. A little Parmesan after your morning walk. A cup of cottage cheese before bed. A serving of ricotta after you climb the stairs or finish gardening. A slice of Swiss with lunch to support nerve and muscle coordination. A bit of feta on your vegetables to ease inflammation and help your muscles recover without stiffness. These aren't restrictions, they're additions. Simple, nourishing, pleasant additions that make your body feel stronger, calmer, and more stable over time. The beauty of this approach is that it doesn't rely on perfection. You don't need to measure everything. You don't need to worry about missing a day. What matters most is consistency over weeks, not rigid discipline over days. The body changes slowly, almost quietly, until one morning you stand up from your chair with less effort, or you climb the stairs a little faster, or you notice that carrying groceries doesn't feel as heavy as it used to. These small victories are signs of deeper changes, stronger muscle fibers, better balance, improved nerve communication, and reduced inflammation. These are the foundations of independence. And independence is one of the most valuable things to protect as we age. There is also a deeper emotional piece to all of this. Many seniors carry a quiet fear, the fear of becoming dependent, of losing mobility, of feeling fragile. But your body is far more resilient than you think. Strength can return. Stability can return. Energy can return. And sometimes, all it takes is giving your muscles the right type of nourishment at the right moments. These cheeses are not magical. They're simply effective because they align with how the body actually works. Older muscles need more support, more signals, more steady fuel. These foods deliver exactly that, in natural, digestible forms that your body understands immediately. If you've been feeling weaker lately, or if your legs feel heavier than they used to, or if you want to stay active, independent, and confident, try adding even one of these cheeses to your routine. See how your body responds. Give yourself a few weeks. Listen to the changes, and if someone in your life is struggling with muscle loss or balance issues, consider sharing this information with them. Sometimes a single change, something as small as adding a serving of ricotta or cottage cheese, can help someone gain back strength they thought was gone forever. If you'd like more guidance, more simple and science-backed ideas like this, you're always welcome to subscribe. There's no pressure. It's just an open invitation to keep learning how to care for your body with habits that feel gentle, natural, and realistic. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these cheeses do you feel most comfortable trying first? Have you noticed changes in your strength recently? What has helped you so far? Your experience could inspire someone else who feels exactly the way you do right now.